Have you ever even thought that you can even connect your gamepad to your tablet or your Android device? Look at this. So this is LENOVO Tab S8 review in a sleek design. Tab S8-50F. So it has a 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigabytes of internal memory. It actually works pretty well for your old Android devices that actually runs on Android 6.1 and so on. But you might find it difficult to run new Android version apps such as Catch as the latest apps and the latest new development and software upgrade as well. But this is very good for those that are actually looking for a kind of big screen on an Android device to edit, take pictures, and as well store photos and mostly edit videos and pictures for just like multimedia as well. So this is the cable that came with it. It's very good as well. It feels very sturdy. It came with this protective screen nylon, not really a screen guard cover. This looks like a screen which has been made, like has been replaced, although it is very good. So in order for someone to enjoy that, I think we likely need to buy a screen guard or a screensaver for that as well. So let's see how it looks in 360 mode. Here is me going through the Android setup process. So you are successfully in Android 6.1. Wow! After some years, Android Lollipop, as you can see, it's amazing. I believe the last time I've used an Android 6.1 or 5.1 device was on the itel 1508, which is pretty much 10 years back. It's pretty remarkable, as you can see. This is the screen resolution, like the imagery. Let's check the cameras as well. This is one of the most important parts that most of you are actually looking for, or most photography enthusiasts, or maybe camera enthusiasts as well. That's me right there. What do you think about this video? Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more like this, please. So this is actually an 8 megapixel, 1.16 megapixel front camera, via an 8 megapixel rear camera. This is how it takes pictures. It pretty does well with the good flash. It does pretty well with the flash. This is me trying a way for me to get the OTG Checker app, but it's not necessary like that for this Android device, because some of you are not aware, that this LENOVO Tab S8 actually has OTG. It actually has OTG, so I'm just whiling away with time checking online. So this is the OTG connector which I use. So let me just go straight to the point. So once you've connected the USB OTG device to your Android tablet, your LENOVO tablet, what you just need to do is to wait for it to pair. Like what you are seeing now, you're seeing the notification. Actually, the notification is showing here is for the tablet, the flash is connected, this purple flash. But as it reads to the system, it wants to format it. Maybe it doesn't recognize it. Actually, it has a lot of files inside. When I put it inside the system, it will be able to read it. But the files are a little bit much that the system of the laptop tablet can process it. So this is the gamepad I want to connect now. This is going to be very handy for those that are actually game lovers as well as me sometimes, but in leisure time I just actually use it to play games. So it's very important for those that are actually intending to play mobile games, editing, especially video editing and photo editing as well. You have a big screen to while away with your photos. I'm even making use of those OTG adapter to take pictures and snap pictures from your camera, SD card as well. Very important. I think we successfully connected to the tablet. Wow, as you can see. Wow, can you see that? Oh my goodness, it just works as a regular PlayStation controller. X4 enter, as you click on the app, scroll buttons as well. That's amazing, man. Wow. So I think you have come to the end of the video, guys. There's not much I can show you again now. Make sure you just like, comment and subscribe for me to do videos like this. Comment down below as well if you really want Jumia to sponsor me. Comment down below, because I've been all my channel videos have been mostly on unboxing and other regular videos as well. So please subscribe, endeavor to subscribe if you are not, so I can be doing more videos like this. It takes a lot of time rather for me to process videos like this. Sometimes it might take a week. Even to get this video to be processed, it took almost a week or like 2 weeks. That's what people don't know. There's a lot of process that goes down in the making of this video. So make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.